Hey, what is up guys, it's Morlock21 here, and I am bringing you another video. This one will be the best out of all my videos, with sound quality and video quality and just better overall out of all my videos. And as you guys probably read in the description, this is the unboxing video that I've been talking about for the longest time now. I posted a video way back, about a week or two ago, saying that I was going to bring you an unboxing video, and here she is. Well, let's show what we were all excited about, me especially, and here it is. The Elgato Game Capture HD. Let's get right into this. So I'm going to take this plastic film off, and then here she is. Let's take a look at the box here quick. Got the Elgato Game Capture HD. Get this focused here. Okay, so it says your skills immortalized. Okay, it shows the technical specifications and the system requirements, but in the box it has the Elgato Game Capture HD, the Quick Start Guide, a USB cable, the HDMI cable, and the PS3 cable, and a component cable. Let's get right into this. It's got a little sleeve that it came with. Here's the device itself. It's so very tiny. About almost the size of my palm. I don't have a very big palm though. There's the device itself. Here is the Quick Start Guide, showing you how to set it up and crap. And then here are all the cables. There's one more in here. The component cables. Yeah. And, that's it. Alright. So here's the device itself. It's got everything it said it was gonna be. Got the HDMI in and the AV in. And then you got the HDMI out and the USB to plug it into your computer. Yep. Trying to figure out how to focus this. Oh well. Anyways, serial numbers and stuff. So this is the HDMI or the USB cable for your computer. Yeah, let's open that up real quick. HDMI cable. AV cable. Which I don't think I'll be using this at all. I don't think I'll be using that. And the component cables, I'll be definitely using these for my headset. There she is. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I know I was very excited to get this, and I hope I can bring better videos for you guys to watch in the future. See you later.